Hey, welcome back to Cycle Fab. My name's Larry. I'm going to reassemble this engine. I've got to get this thing done. And what you guys can do is just sit back and watch and enjoy. I'm not really going to explain much here. I don't do this often enough to consider myself a teacher. So I'm just going to go through it with the prior knowledge that I do have. And I may put something up in the title area, that kind of explains whatever I run into. I don't know yet. And hey, remember, if you're liking this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell too, so you know when my next videos are coming out. Now, let's get on with this. Okay guys, we're getting ready to put the cylinder block on, and this is going to be interesting for me because I've never done an inline 4 before. Now the gaskets on here, as you can see, along with the O-rings and the O-rings on the bottom of this guy right here. Now I've got everything oiled up, the rings, the inside of the cylinders, and I've got the ring compressors on the pistons right here. They're nothing more than pipe clamps. So anyway, it's 2¼ inches, 4 of them's on there, so I gotta line this thing up, get those pistons up in there. Now the Climber manual says do the inside cylinders first. In other words, bring them all the way to the top dead center, get them snaked in, and then go ahead and do the outer two. So, also it talks about putting a brace in here, kind of like I had it here, yeah. Piece of brass or a piece of wood to hold this up while you work underneath, get all these fitted in there and everything. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do now, and let's have some fun. Hopefully it's not going to be that much of a headache. Okay, that worked out pretty well. Actually, the cylinder block went on much easier than what I was expecting. Like I said, I've never done the inline 4 before. I've done singles mostly. And anyway, yeah, it just literally slid right on. Now, I did have some resistance, obviously, but you know, used my rubber mallet on it, no problem, went right on. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is the head. I just have it sitting up here for right now. But I'm gonna go ahead, since it's off, everything's apart, everything's out of it, I'm going to go ahead and polish the ports, intake and exhaust ports. Just touch them up a little bit, because it is rough from the casting. And since everything's apart, you know, why not? It will improve the flow on it somewhat. So I'll be doing that next, along with other things, because like I said, I'm gonna get this up, running in the frame, so on and so forth. And anyway, hey guys, thanks for showing up and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'm up to 3,200 subscribers. I'm up to 3,200 subscribers right now, and that's all thanks to you guys. So please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos are coming out. And I will see you guys next weekend. Bye.